second part of the Fnaf3 thing. Okay, alright. So in this episode, we're just gonna make like the office and some details. So yeah. So first, we're gonna start making a new sprite. Gonna call it office, and I'm just gonna get the sprite I have for it. Alright, so for the code for this one, it's gonna do when sprite when those flags clicked, go to 0, 0, hide, and then when I receive in-game show forever set x, I then do get the mouse x, then multiply that by negative 0.50, negative 0.50, and then when you run the code, you can look around and it looks pretty cool. So then what we're gonna do is yeah, that's what we need in this sprite right now. And then we're gonna make a hallway outside. So we're gonna call this hallway hall office 1. I'm just gonna get the sprite I made for that. Which one is it? This one. Put that there. And for the code for this one, basically the same thing as the office. So copy and paste that from there. And I'm just gonna run it to see how it looks. Broadcast. And then set that to go back. Go to the back layer. Oh, not this. This. Office. And have that. Yeah, so you can see it's in there. You can see the office. You can see the poster there. And we're going to duplicate this. Duplicate the hall office and make hall office 2 so you can see outside the window. And for the sprite for that one, I'm just going to import something right here. And yeah, so it just goes 0, 0. When I receive in game, it'll hide. Okay, in game. And yeah, so you can see outside your place. You can see the poster and other stuff and things, right? It's good. Then what we're gonna do is you can make like a little light flicker, kind of, which is kind of cool. So I'm gonna duplicate hall office 1, and for the sprite, I'm just gonna make a little like light just for kicks. Just gonna make it a little bit yellower. And I'm going to delete the background, so it's just the light. And for the code for this one, we're going to do when I receive in-game forever, wait, and then pick random 10 to 15 minutes. And then we're going to broadcast new message, call it light flicker, repeat 10 times. Next costume, switch to costume 1, and then make another costume where it's not showing. Oh, actually, rather, instead of not showing, just have it like a dark. Darkness. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna duplicate that so it can be like this. So if you see it, you can make it go forward one layer. You know, can broadcast in game, just see how it looks. You see it flickers like that. And yeah. Yeah, and then we're gonna duplicate this and have it for the one for the hallway. I mean, this is all optional. You don't really need this, but I'm gonna call it hall like light. So we have two of these. Broadcast in game, and we're gonna put this over to the side here. If you can see that. There. That's good. I'm just gonna add some sound effects too. Let me just get that real quick. Import a sound effect. It's like a just a light flickering sound effect. Let me pull that up real quick. Yeah, there we go. I'm just gonna start sound, light flicker, and do when I receive. Yeah, actually, yeah. When I receive light flicker, start the sound. So it plays. So that's your office. Yeah. All right, so now we're gonna start working on the cameras, and I'm not gonna go through all the cameras. I'm just gonna have the little thing that you flip up. So to prepare for this, we're gonna go back into the office sprite. I'm gonna put some more code in that. So what we're gonna be doing is when I receive new message, call it cam up. We're gonna stop other scripts in the sprite. Then duplicate that and do when I receive. I'm gonna call it mat or for maintenance monitor. I'm gonna stop that too. Then duplicate the when I receive in game and do when I receive cam down. I'll start looking again. And when I receive mat monitor down, that again. So basically, it's just you want to can stop looking around when you have your maintenance monitor up or your cameras up. All right, for the office, and basically you need to basically do this for the other your little hallways and stuff. So yeah, just copy and paste that into your hallways. Yeah. just do that. I'm going to rewind it. Fast forward it a little bit here. Alright, so if you copied all that stuff down into your hallways and your lights, we're going to make a new sprite. We're going to call it camera button, and I'm just going to make a little button for that. Just going to have it like blue and outline, maybe like dark blue, maybe. It'll look good. I don't know, it might look like poop, whichever one. That looks like poop, but whatever. Camera button, and what you want to do is make a little red dot at the bottom of the screen here, so that way it doesn't come over when you're trying to look over, and this will be helpful later. The code for this one, do when I receive in-game set monitor, or actually make a new variable, call it monitor, set monitor down, and show. Then do when this sprite, when the flag is clicked, set 0, 0, hide. When I receive maintenance monitor, do stop other scripts in sprite, and then do when the sprite's clicked, do it if else, if monitor equals down, broadcast cam up, else cam down. Then do when I receive cam up, stop other scripts in sprite. When I receive when I receive cam up, cam down, we're gonna show forever set x to mouse x multiplied by negative 0.50. Then do when I receive in-game set x to mouse x negative 50. And then what we want to do is when I receive maintenance monitor down, I want to do the same thing. That's it for right now for the cameras button. Now we're gonna actually make the camera. We're gonna make a new sprite. We're gonna call it camera. Get the sprite I made for that. And just gonna get it bigger and have it off the side. And just animate something that, you can do whatever you want. This is just something that I made here. I got my little animation here. Then for this one, what we're going to do is when I receive cam up, show, switch to costume 1, repeat, 8 times because I have 9 costumes, 8 times, next costume, broadcast, screen, show, hide, and then set monitor up. Duplicate that when I receive monitor down, show, switch to costume 9, then broadcast, screen, hide. Should broadcast screen hide first. Set monitor to down. Repeat 8 times. Switch to costume. Then do costume number. Costume number -1. And then hide. Alright, and that's everything we need for this. We can add some sound effects. Just get that real quick. Alright, test this all out here. We got our office, our little button that comes up here. So yeah, so you can just look over and there's your button. That's why we did the little red dot at the bottom of the screen. So it just always is here so you can look at it. The lights flicker and the monitor comes up and goes down. Alright, good. Alright, that's all we're gonna do for this episode, because the next episode is a doozy because we got all the cameras to do, we got the sound button thing, all that fun stuff. But yeah, next one's gonna come soon, probably something. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a fun time and make the game of your dreams and things. Okay, all right.